Hey fam, welcome back. So I thought in this video we would do a bit of an unboxing bonanza. I have my Allure Beauty box and both of my BoxyCharms to unbox with you. So if you're interested in finding out what I received this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. So y'all, I've been battling a bit of a headache today, so sorry my makeup's a little whack. I look a little crazy. I'm super tired and not feeling the greatest. But here we are. Here we all are. So from Allure this month, I got this great little bundle of goodies. The first one I see is this one here from Elemis. It's the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've recently been trying some cleansing balms. I've been trying the one from Good Molecules a little bit. Elemis is such an expensive brand. I'm like thrilled to get such a good little deluxe size, I guess. I'm thinking this is deluxe size. Though Elemis products I've noticed are not that huge for as much as they cost. I'm so thrilled to get this. I also see this brush from e.l.f. I'm always excited to get brushes in my boxes, and this is a highlighting brush. I actually have seen a lot of people use brushes this style for highlighting, and I actually don't think I've used one like this yet. So I was actually super thrilled to see this in my box. I also got the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I believe I do have another one of these that I got from a BoxyCharm in the past, or a Try Beauty box maybe. I think it was BoxyCharm, but I could be wrong. So this is the second one. I've heard good things about this though. So little mascara. Also we have the Dry Conditioner Instant Moisture Waterless Conditioning Level 3. Little dry shampoo, but it's like a dry conditioner, which I've never actually heard of. So I'm really excited to give this product a try as well. I also have a La Roche product, La Roche-Posay Broad Spectrum Minerals Liquid Sunscreen. That's pretty cute. We also have a Cleo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner. I'm assuming this is just black. Ooh, I think it's actually purple. There's like a little band here at the bottom. It looks like it's like a plum shade. Ooh, it is purple. Oh yeah. So you have a little like purpley plum colored gel liner. That's really exciting. And then last but certainly not least, we have a Revitalizing Japanese Sake Enhanced Radiance Sheet Mask. So I thought this was a pretty good Allure Beauty box. I'm sorry I'm not going more in depth, but again, we're just gonna unbox these today. That's about all I have the energy for today, to be honest with you. But I wanted to go over these because this is the last month that Allure is gonna be $15. Starting in October, they are going up to like the $22 or $23 box. I've seen a preview for it. I'm not thrilled. I'll be honest, I'm in no way thrilled about the price jump or the product offerings. There are a lot of products in that box, but a lot of them are still deluxe size and a lot of them are brands I've never heard of. So, I mean, we'll see. Typically this little magazine is super helpful, and when you can kind of understand why they were chosen and why the person really likes them. So I imagine that I will maybe learn more from the magazine when the October box comes, but kind of like I talked about in my Get Ready With Me, depending on if that one goes up first or this goes up first, I'm really thinking heavily about canceling all my subscription boxes. And if you want to know why, go ahead and watch that video if it's up. Next, we're going to unbox my premium box. And in this BoxyCharm box, according to my card, I was supposed to receive 6 products, but instead I received 4 products. So annoyed. And yeah, I've contacted BoxyCharm. 3 different emails I've sent. I've now DM'd them on Instagram. No response. Sent them pictures of the card and of the contents of my box. No response. So yeah. Anyway, I got the Eloise the Queen palette. This is a really beautiful, colorful palette. And I've never tried anything from Eloise before. I am really tempted to play with this palette and to touch it and swatch it, but I may just put this aside for a giveaway because it does really remind me of the Glamlite Cake palette. I also have the ice cream palette and the donut palette. The ice cream palette's still coming, but I have the donut palette and the cake palette. And I think between those 3 palettes, I probably have all of these shades. So I'm probably gonna put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure. I may just try it for a video and then give it to my sister or my niece. I'm not really sure. So I may put this aside. We may play with this, we'll see. I also received this product from Frank Body. This is the Coconut Coffee Scrub. Mine actually came damaged. I've actually put a little piece of tape over it so it doesn't continue to spill all over the place, but there was a slice in mine when I received it and coffee grounds in my box. I'm so aggravated with BoxyCharm, don't even get me started. Don't even get me started. They also sent me this ice roller, which you can put in your refrigerator or freezer. It's supposed to help depuff your skin. I have 2 jade rollers and I don't use them enough, so I'll probably put this aside for a giveaway. And lastly, they sent me the Marc Jacobs gloss in the shade Raspberry Beret. This is kind of like a purpley color, which I think is kind of pretty, kind of an orchid color. So I am kind of happy about that. It's not a color I would typically reach for, but I do have some orchid colored lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, so I think this might actually be kind of pretty with those. So I am happy about that one product. And actually my choice product was the Ole Henriksen Fat Baby Facial or whatever that thing was, which they didn't put in my box. And they also didn't put in, it was like an Emma Hardy, I think it was Emma Hardy facial oil. It was $105 of value, we'll say, that they just omitted from my box and literally won't respond after like weeks of writing them. So that's where I'm at with that. And lastly, let's get into my Luxe box, which was surprisingly good. For as late as it came in the month, I was like, this is gonna be hot garbage. But it actually wasn't. So they did send me the Hip Dot palette. This is another one that I think is so pretty. This is the Zion palette. And the color story, I mean, it's really beautiful. It's like purples and pinks. There's some oranges and such in here. There's a really, this whole little plum area over there is definitely speaking to me. Really, really cute colors. But again, I kind of have a larger collection. I might already have a palette like this. So this one in the Eloise palette, I'm just gonna hold off on like touching for right now and just kind of think about it. Potentially put these in a giveaway or potentially maybe try them, because I am interested in both of these products. And like, because I've never tried anything from either brand, it may be a case where it would be good for me to try it and know the formula, especially for Hip Dot, because I hear a lot more about that brand than I do about Eloise. So part of me is like tempted to try it just to see what my opinion would be. Plus they're really pretty shades, of course, in both palettes. But then part of me is like, I really don't have the space to add palettes to my collection that are not like super special at this point, just because my drawers are really getting very full. I also got a pack of sheet masks from 111 Skin, I'm guessing you call it. Or 111 Skin, I don't really know. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and I believe there are several masks in here. It's like a packet of them. Looks like there are 5 masks. So that's pretty cool. And I know this brand tends to be pretty expensive. I was happy that I actually got my choice items in my Luxe box. This is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. So thrilled to get this. I love Pharmacy and their stuff is so expensive. I'm always so excited when I can get it either pop-up or in my boxes. It's always really exciting. I also got this product from Ahava, and I believe we've gotten something else from Ahava in the past, or maybe I got one in my Allure Beauty box. This is the Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream. My skin gets so dry in the winter that I get like literally like reptile skin on my hands. It is so painful. My hands will crack and my knuckles will bleed. It is so painful. So I'm super excited to get this right before fall and winter. I'm sure this will really help moisturize my hands. My other choice product for Luxe was this Milk Makeup Matcha Purifying Face Mask. I've heard so many good things about this, and I just think it's really cute. I love this color green, like a little seafoam green. I've really enjoyed the products that I've received from Milk and that I've purchased and, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm definitely excited to try out this little mask. I was also so thrilled to get this Persona gloss. This is the shade Honey. I've heard so many good things. I think mainly from Kelly Gooch about Persona's lip glosses. So I was so thrilled. I was really, really hoping for this product. My Luxe was pretty exciting this month. I'll give it to Boxy for that, but I'm still mad about my premium. I also got this Fenty highlighter. This has Sandcastles and Mint Mojito in it. I was a little sad because I really wanted the orange and like fuchsia pink one. I almost added it in pop-up, but because they took so long to get me my Luxe this month, I couldn't even like take advantage of it because I didn't know if this was coming in my box or not. But instead I got this shade. The reason I'm not thrilled to get this is because I already have Sandcastles in a mini single. And I'm not too likely to try a light blue highlighter, but I have heard of people using this as an inner corner and really liking it, and Sandcastles is a beautiful highlighter. So I'm not too bummed about it, but I do wish I'd gotten the like orange and pink one. That would have been really cool. So if they have that in pop-up next month, because I am really happy about my choice items for premium and base for October, so I probably will at least keep it through October. And if they have these items, if they have the Fenty highlighters in pop-up again, I definitely want to pick up the pink and orange highlighter, because I think it'd be a really beautiful like glowy blush. And then last but certainly not least in Luxe, I got the Pure brush set. I know my girl Amanda was really hoping to get this and she mentioned that she didn't, which made me really sad. I was really hoping to get it too, and I'm grateful that I did, especially since they like completely gypped me out of 2 of my products from premium this month. But these are the brushes from Pure. They do feel pretty soft, just kind of like looking at them and sort of touching them. And this would be like a great little travel brush set. I love that it comes in a little carrying case. I love the color. I have kind of like a rose gold makeup carrier that Angie got me for my birthday, I think last year or the year before. And so this will be perfect to go with that. So I'm definitely really thrilled with Luxe this month. Not crazy about premium and very frustrated. I have to say, like, I mean, I've never had a problem with their customer service before. They've always been really great, and I'm really disappointed. I don't get it. I don't understand it. I don't know what they're trying to do or whatever, but they're gonna lose customers if they don't get it together. It's just the facts. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing bonanza. I am so sorry to just run through the products quickly, and I will try to list all of the products in the description box along with their prices when I have less of a headache. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for being here, and until the next video, bye.